Mrs. Switchback and I have made a conscientious decision to cut red meat out of our diet in the spirit of good health. We are now vegetarians. I'm just kidding. It's tri-tip time. Tri-tip, very similar to the picanha in that it comes from the sirloin, this time from the bottom of the sirloin. This is a very popular cut of beef in California on the West Coast. Normally it's grilled over a live wood fire. Well, we're in Texas again, so we're gonna switch back it up. Once again, no utensils are necessary. This may be one of the best things that I've cooked yet. Tri-tip. Thank you, California.
Involving theft and the sale of marijuana.
You like?
Yes, very good. Thank you.